Ginawa ko naman lahat, pero hindi talaga siya for me. Hi, I'm Yel, recovering millennial achiever, and this is lesson 3 of 32, what life taught me this week. This week, I realized that you really have to define what success looks like for you if you really want to enjoy the life that you love. Kasi, alam mo yon, if I will follow yung typical Filipino definition of success, that you need to graduate, get a stable job, and then work until retirement, hindi kasi siya for me. Sinubukan ko naman. I become an engineer. I passed my board exam. Nag-work ako sa corporate. Pero I'm not happy doing it. I don't feel the excitement. I feel that every single day, I'm just moving in autopilot because I need to do my job. Siguro that's the reason then I'm doing what I'm doing right now. The freelancing and the content creation. Hindi naman sa yun yung pinakamadaling path. Mahirap siya actually. Minsan tinatanong ko nga sa sarili ko bakit ko to pinili. Ito yung path na I know to myself na it makes me feel alive and I know that I'm growing and I know I love what I'm doing. Siguro ang pinaka natutunan ko from this is don't chase the version of success na nakasanayan ng lahat. You need to define yours. Kasi dun mo lang makikita yung life na tunay na para sa'yo. So this is lesson 3 of 32. See you next week.